Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to fix the issue if your HP ink cartridge printer is printing lines and stripes on your documents. The first and the simplest solution is to unplug your printer for about 1 minute and then plug it in on back again, power on and print some document. If your document looks good, you're done troubleshooting. If you have this problem only when scanning documents, most likely you need to clean the scanning surface. So open the lid, then take soft lint-free cloth and damp in distilled or filtered water. You can add some window cleaner or soap to this water, but in no case don't use any kind of alcohol, don't use abrasive cleaners, benzene and so on. Just water with soap is more than enough. So clean the scanning surface and then dry it with another soft lint-free cloth. Don't forget to clean the lid as well and then close it. Try to copy your document and it should be alright. If the problem persists, most likely this is the cartridges matter. In this case, let's clean the nozzles. I recommend you to use HP Smart application to do this, especially if your printer doesn't have LCD display. So open HP Smart application on any smartphone or computer and make sure your printer is selected here. If your printer is not connected to HP Smart, swipe right, tap on Setup or Add Printer. Now make sure your smartphone is connected to the same network as your printer, like this. And then tap on Already Connected to Network, select your printer. Your printer will be instantly connected. Now you need to tap on this tile to enter the printer settings and tap on Print Quality Tools. If you see this window, no available printer tools, you need to go back and tap on Advanced Settings in this menu. It takes you to the printer's admin panel. Tap on these three bars and find Print Quality, expand this section and tap on Tools. Now you need to enter your PIN. You can find this PIN code under the printer's scanning unit. So leave the scanning unit and here's your product label with the PIN code. Also you can find the same product label on the printer's back panel over there or at the bottom of the printer depending on the printer's model. So tap on this field, enter that PIN code, hit Done and sign in as administrator. On this page, scroll all the way down until you see Printheads cleaning. Then press Start and wait for the operation to complete. It takes 30 seconds as it's shown up on the display. Once it's done, tap OK on your display if you have one and go back to the application, close this window and scroll up and Print Quality Troubleshooting page. So tap on Print, make sure Print Quality Diagnostic Report is selected, scroll down and select Print and wait for the page from the printer. If your page is looking like this, everything is okay now, but if the color blocks below are stripped or missing, you can try to run Printheads cleaning once again, and if that didn't help, let's try to clean the cartridges manually. To do this, you need to push up the scanning unit until it gets fixed, like this, and eject the cartridges. So push on the cartridge, push it down, repeat for the second cartridge, easily remove the cartridges from the slot. And now you need to take a soft lint-free cloth, damp it in filtered or distilled water. You can add some window cleaner or soap in this water, but don't use benzene, don't use any kind of alcohol, solvents and so on. And you need to wipe the nozzles in the vertical direction only, like this. Don't do like this. Don't do it horizontally or you can damage the nozzles. Wipe in vertical direction only. And after some time, try to print the nozzles on the napkin. And you should have solid stripe like this. And repeat this action for the color cartridge, but in the case with color cartridge, you will have three solid stripes. If you see stripes like this, you can insert the cartridges back to the printer. Don't forget that the left slot is for the color cartridge and the right slot is for the black one. But if that didn't help, I have one more method for you. Pour some filtered or distilled water onto a plate or another flat surface and submerge your cartridges into this water so that only the nozzles touch the water. And leave the cartridges like this for about 15 minutes. And then dry the cartridges with soft and lint-free cloth. Don't forget about vertical direction. And finish drying with cool air from hair dryer, for example. And then you can place the cartridges back to the printer. To do this, open the scanning unit and place the color cartridge into the left slot and the black cartridge into the right slot, labeled with the black label, and push it towards and up until it clicks into place like this. Make sure the cartridges are not wobbling, they stay firmly, and then close the scanning unit and try to print that print quality page. In most cases, that's more than enough to fix lines and streaks problem with HP in cartridges printers, but if the problem persists, probably your cartridges just dried out and it's time to replace them. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.